Reset mo tayo. Okay na ba? Tara. Northwest ulit, northwest. Kulang tayo sa damage. Pag nag-clap ako, ano, sino ba yung naka-primal?
Si Tabudi.
Sige. Tayo kahit south guys. South tayo, south. Dito kayo, spread kayo. Kaya mo sila pumasok. Okay. 5 minutes now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Layo. Nice one. Okay, kite back. South. Kite back, guys. Kite back. Nice damage. Kite back. 10 seconds. Kite back. Spread out. Spread out. Okay. Clapping in 3, 2, 1. Drop. Nice damage. Nice one. Okay, kite back. South. Defensive. South. Defensive, guys. Defensive. 7 seconds. Okay. Kaya mo sila pumasok sa choke. Okay, nice one. Okay, brawl them.
Siya nakamit pala ako. Mayo kumain.
Brawl them.
Iiwan ako.
Dito tayo sa gitna. Yan. Hayaan mo sila pumasok dito. Okay, spread out kayo dito sa loob. Yung mga DPS natin sa likod Yan. Hayaan sila pumasok rito. Yung mga long range Qs and Ws. Yan, spread out lang kayo.
Sabi ka lang.
Spread out lang kayo. Huwag nyo pansinin yung yung naka-carving. Huwag nyo pansinin yan. Spread out lang. Okay, 5 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 minutes. Drop. Nasa defensive. Okay, nice. Brawl them. Yan. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Brawl them. Fuck them. Nice damage. Okay, 5 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop.
Hindi ako makafollow.
Okay, kite back. West. Pasok ulit tayo dun sa sa pwesto na yun. Maganda yung pwesto na yun. Ayan lang nila pumasok sa choke. Dito ulit tayo. Pinamatay ba sa atin kanina?
Wala ata.
Ayaw mo sila pumasok rito.
Dito
Jolly sila Okay, Qs and Ws. Spread out. 5 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your ace. Okay, kite back. Spread out and kite back. 12 seconds. Spread out. 7 seconds. Spread out. Heals on the front. Okay.
8 seconds ako
Sige.
5. Sabi ka lang, share.
Okay, kite back. South. East. Okay, 5 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Nice. Okay. Reset ulit.
Sige lang.
May naka-astral ah.
Patay na ako.
Huwag kayo umalis ano, balik kayo.
Balik lang kayo rito. Reset tayo, reset. Ganda naman damage natin eh.
Tapos na?
Di pa. Okay, walk in. Okay, spread out. Kaya mo sila pumasok dito. Dito lang tayo. Dito lang tayo. Dito. Layo ko masyado ah. Dito lang tayo. Pasokin nyo sa choke. Q's and W's. Okay, 5 me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop you east. Ah, nice one. Nice defensive. Okay, kite back. Guys, kite back. Heels on the front. Okay. Up. Taas kayo. Okay. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop.
Long ear.
Okay, kite back. Nice defensive. Kite back. Up. Nice. 10 seconds. 9 seconds. Okay. Ready na inyo.
Ready ako.
Okay, walk in. Walk in. Okay, Q's and W's. Okay, 5 me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice to be. Okay, kite back. Guys, kite back. Pop. Defensive. Kite back. Heels on the front. Okay. Up tayo. Dito. Balik dito. Okay, Q's and W's. Heels on the front. Defensive. Okay, naglap kayo. Okay, reset na tayo. Reset. Kulang tayo sa damage. Sino yung naka-primal? Pwede ba mag-first engage ka? Ano ba gamit nun? Pwede ka bang mag-first engage?
Sige.
Kasi pag ako magpa-first engage, kaka-counterin lang nila eh. Okay, dito tayo. South. On me. South.
Sabihin mo lang pag mag-engage ako.
Ah, sige. South. Yeah.
Yung intro natin naiwan.
Oo.
Ay na rin ang pinakandit ko.
Hanap tayo ng magandang place. Okay. Dito tayo. Balik lang tayo sa kanina.
Kag na lang. Pasa sa burak.
Okay, spread out guys. Spread out.
Ay, isa dali.
Okay. Pwede ka humuli ah. Ano yung primal? Spread out. West, southeast. No, ay, northeast. Northwest pala, northwest. Kite back. Defensive. I'm gonna counter engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Okay. Heels on the front. Oh.